whisk together the Greek yogurt, mayonnaise, red wine vinegar, honey, water, DIJON mustard, ancho chili powder, black pepper, and salt. Set aside until the salad is complete. In a large saucepan over high heat, bring 8 cups of water and 1 teaspoon of salt to a boil. Add the broccoli florets and cook for 1 minute. Use a slotted spoon to immediately transfer the broccoli to the ice water bath to halt the cooking process. Place the broccoli in a large bowl. Add the bacon, golden raisins, pine nuts, red onion, and goat cheese to the broccoli. Drizzle half the dressing over the salad and toss well to combine. This healthy, hearty salad is a tasty way to get your kids to eat more vegetables and actually enjoy them.